Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Opinions and Advice. My name is Amar Sundar and today I am here to give opinion on how we can make an engine work without a fuel. We all know the fact that engine does work with a fuel and we cannot imagine an engine without a fuel. But due to heavy pollution, due to ozone depletion, and there are so many environmental disasters happening just because of a pollution, scientists are thinking how to reduce it, and they are seeking a formulas and different types of engine which can reduce the pollution. This is one of my idea. Like previously I have kept my assumption regarding how we wake up. It's my assumption, it's my idea, and I don't know how much it is a fact and how much the reality is. So here it is, that this engine, this is the diagram what I have made. So this is a basic diagram of a ship. As I am an electrical marine electrical engineer, I have done my course in marine field. So this is my idea. So this is this. So this the box is the box what you are watching. This is the crankcase. This is the crankshaft. This is piston, and this is motor. This is a propeller. This is a transformer. This is a bus bar. This is a piezoelectric cells. So the idea is that the whole engine will be generating electricity with the help of piezoelectric cells. With the help of them, we can able to generate electricity. We all know that piezoelectricity, electric crystals, does work by a pressure. So here the piston will create a pressure, and from here the electricity will be generated, and it will be taken through a bus bar, will be shifted to a transformer. You have seen here, to a transformer, and it will go to motor. Okay, and here it is an inverter, and here it is a battery. The battery will get charged when the electricity is moving on, and when the electricity goes off, means when the engine should get start, the motor will take a power from a battery with the help of inverter. As we know that inverter does change from DC to AC, so it will give that power to motor to give a crank energy or crank start, which will move a crankshaft. And in order to reduce the frictional losses in this engine, we will be using a lubricating oil. In that way we can able to reduce the frictional losses and also firing. And there's another way that I have presented a motor here. We can also give a pressure to a piston. With the help of that, we don't need to have a battery and inverter. We can directly on, and it will be keeping on rotating and rotating. In that way we can able to generate electricity. With the help of that, we can run our motor. In that way it is a purely eco-friendly. There won't be any pollution in this, since there is no gas leakage in this. Just a lubricating oil will be generated, which is not a severe thing. The most best thing about this thing is that there will be no usage of fuel in this way there won't be any pollution, and it will be eco-friendly. If we work on this, then it can bring a drastic change in our life. In that way we don't need to rely on fuel. It will reduce the cost in a daily routine, whatever the daily budget we will be using. And it just needs proper care, and that's it. So this is my idea based on whatever I have learned. The engine concept, whatever I have presented, mostly mechanical engineers does understand this, and electrical engineers who has a little bit awareness on a mechanical side, they can able to understand this. And we all know that India is lacking some economic problems, facing an economic problem, but India is not shortage, doesn't have any shortage of geniuses. So we all are geniuses, and if we work on our genius ideas, then we can able to generate number of jobs in this country. And just we need a motivation, we just need to believe in ourselves. So this is my idea, because I don't have no idea how to go through the institutes and presenting them. I have little bit idea about that. I am not good in that. It just I felt that if this is presented in YouTube, I believe that someone will look upon this and may help to bring this out, so that in future we will be relying on purely electricity and there won't be any pollution in this. So this is it. And please subscribe to my channel, and give a like button to this, and please share to your friends, and give a comment, and give some advice, and any feedback you want to give, I will be taking and I will be working. And um, just subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much.